So Android users, this video is for you. In this video, I am going to share 8 hidden Android settings that you need to change right now. These settings are going to unlock your hidden Android features of your Android and make your life way better. So you know what? Let's get started. On the top of list, we have Incognito Authentication. This setting is really going to be a lifesaver setting for you guys. Multiple times in our daily life, we will open Incognito tab in Chrome to search something private. But after that, we will forget to close the tab and keep that phone aside. If someone took that phone, that all those things are not going to be private anymore. For this, you have to enable this setting. Open your Chrome. After this, I will provide a special command in my description. Paste this command in your search bar. After this, it will open a special tab. Here you have to search Incognito Authentication and enable this option. After this, relaunch your Chrome. After this, head over to Chrome settings and then go to privacy and security option. Here you can see lock incognito option. Enable this option. After this, whenever you are using incognito and you lock your phone, again you have to unlock your incognito mode using your finger. And the second setting on our list is Cutout setting. I saw that many Android users are using third-party applications to use the notch on your Android. For that, you don't need any third-party application. Here is an inbuilt setting that you need to change. For this, open your developer options and then search Cutout. Here you can see there are so many kinds of cutout options like corner, notch, dynamic island, and many more. Set that according to your usage. And the third setting is auto delete OTPs. I know each and every platform is using OTPs to perform different operations in their platform, so we will receive multiple OTPs in a day, and it is a bit tougher to delete each OTP at a time. Do you know that there is a hidden setting which will delete your OTPs itself after 24 hours? Let me show you how. Head over to your message settings. Here you can see general option and then open this. Here you can see message organization option. Go to this and here you can see this hidden setting. Enable this. Fourth and fifth setting on our list are really going to be super useful for gamers because these two settings are really going to enhance the full power of your phone in gaming. Fourth setting is enable Gable dodge. If you also use your Bluetooth while you are playing games, means then you have to turn on this setting because this setting is really going to enhance your sound experience. Open your developer options and then search enable Gable dodge and then enable this setting because this setting will help you to decrease the latency of your Bluetooth phone. And the fifth setting is force 4x MMS. I know that many Android users spend their money on a phone which really helps them to make their gaming experience very smoother, but they don't know about this hidden trick which really makes the graphic experience very smoother in your Android. Head over to your developer options and then search force 4x MMS and then enable this setting. Now you can see the graphic difference between these two games before and after of that setting. The sixth setting is background running applications. As we know, there are so many multiple applications in our Android and few of them are really working in the background of our phone, which leads to the battery draining. Now I will show you how you can stop these applications in the backend. Open your developer options and then search background running services. Here you can see a list of all those applications which are working in the background services of your phone, and from here you can directly stop all those applications to work in the backend of your phone. And the seventh setting is notification history. I saw that many Android users are using third-party applications to saw the deleted message in any application. For this, you don't need any third-party application. Here's an inbuilt way that you are not aware about this. Open your settings and then search notification history and then enable this option. After this, here you can see all those messages even if someone delete in any application. And the last setting on our list is archive apps. If you also have a very low storage phone and if you have a multiple applications in that and they are eating a lot of space of your phone, then this setting is really going to be a hidden gem for you. Open your Play Store settings and then go to general option. Here you can see automatically archive app settings. Enable this setting. Now your applications won't take that much of data as it was taking in the previous. That's it for today's video, guys. Let me know in the comment section that which setting is really helpful for you, and don't forget to smash that subscribe button for more upcoming videos like this. See you in the next video with your daily dose.